Hey folks, hi, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Wanted to show you what I got for this month's Maxim Crochet Club of the Month kit for the month of November. So I wanted to say hi and welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for being here. I also have a membership, so you can click that if you click on the join button. Or you can also subscribe, which is free, same button. And also, hi and welcome to my members. Thank you so much for your continued support. It helps a lot. It means a lot to me. Thanks so much. So yeah, on to this. So currently the cost is $18.99, I believe, with a $4.99 flat shipping rate. If you want, go ahead and check on Mary Maxim's site what the site is going for. I pay for all of this out of my pocket. I'm not affiliated or promoted by any of the yarn companies. Anyways, so I'm going to show you what this is. So that 11 means, you know, November for the year 2025 and crochet kit. So this kit this month is coasters. It came with 3 skeins or, yeah, things of macrame yarn cotton. From Lion Brand. It's not currently discontinued. They're selling it on the Lion Brand site. I don't know if these colors are maybe being discontinued, but anyways, it was on sale for like $4.19 for these, but that might go up. There's a lot of sales going on, so prices keep changing for things. So yeah, so this is the Macrame by Lion Brand. It's a recycled cotton. It's categorized as a number, looks like that. Number 6 bulky weight yarn. Let me see if I can find an end. Nope. So it's a little loose, kind of. Where's the edge? There's the edge. It does it doesn't feel like a rough cotton. But yeah, it's like a bunch of strands, so you probably have to make sure you knot it. You see, it's like, yeah. You knot it when you're gonna work with it. So it's 77 yards per skein. We're going to call this a skein. Or 70 meters. 7 ounces or 200 grams. It's 100% recycled cotton. It says machine washable and dryable. This color is called Sweet Pink Rose. Well, Rose Dew, so Sweet Pink. And what it says here for the hook size is too small for me to read. Sorry. Guess I gotta put on my glasses next time. I think it's a size 10, maybe. I don't know. You could check on their website. We'll look at the pattern, what the pattern says, but that's what I was reading to you guys. Are you gonna focus? There we go. So yeah. The other color is this pretty gray. The gray color is called, it's within the plastic so I can't see it, Oxford Gray. Sorry, I'm blurry. Oxford Gray. And then the dark blue, it's a pretty blue. And this blue is called Denim. So that's the blue. So altogether it's these 3 colors. And then to show you the pattern, it's like a coaster set and a little basket. This is great for like a, you know, holiday present for those that are celebrating the holidays. So it seems like a pretty easy pattern. It's just single crochet sort of going in the round. And yeah, they say they recommend using a size L or L11, which is 8mm crochet hook is what the pattern calls for. The container is going to be 4.5 inches across, and sorry, those are the coasters, 4.5 inches across or 11.5 centimeters, and the container 9.5 inches across or 24 centimeters long by 3 inches and 3.5 inches wide. So that 3 inches high is the 7.5 centimeters, or the width is 9 centimeters. And it has the gauge and everything and how to do the magic circle. So, and that's sort of what the coaster looks like. anyways, that's it. Short and sweet, like I mentioned. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and thanks so much. Bye. I'm going to do a quick other video because I just got the Mary Maxim kit for my quarterly Afghan club too. So, see you soon. Thanks. Bye.